This is a story about giving wings to a vision and soaring beyond expectations. It all began with an idea and a desire, the idea to replace aluminum with plastic. The desire to provide greater fuel efficiency to an energy-starved nation. An initial investment of Rs 29 lakhs for a plant in Varroc, generating 1.4 crore rupees in year one, paved the way for a journey that brings pride to everyone associated with Varroc. Varroc commenced business in 1990 in Aurangabad by supplying injection molded parts first to Videocon, a giant in the consumer electronics industry, and later with a value engineering proposal to Bajaj Auto to replace the aluminum fan and fan cover in scooters with molded plastic. There was no looking back. And by 2000, with 100 crore turnover, Varroc established itself as the supplier of choice for plastic components to Bajaj. This first decade was primarily about establishing cost, quality and delivery. However, it also gave shape to the company we see today. In line with the company's strategic goals of sustainable growth and diversification, the emergence of electricals in 1996 to establish Varroc as a proprietary product player versus simply a built-to-print manufacturer, and engine valves in 1997 to enter a high-investment, low-competition market was a sign of things to come. The second decade saw the themes of sustainable growth and diversification intensify. Varroc focused on moving up the value chain by becoming less built-to-print, invested in R&D, launched the TPM initiative, and continued adding more product lines in the domestic business. 2004 saw Varroc enter the realm of metallic forgings, which constituted performance products for 2- and 3-wheelers, thus entering another high-investment, low-competition market. 2007 saw the acquisition of Italy-based IMES, a diversification into heavy forgings and a de-risking from the Indian market. This decade saw engine valves become the first parts to be exported and also to be supplied to the passenger car segment. It saw new plants expand the footprint to Pune and North India, and attention moved towards product development, design and customization. In fact, customers became the central point of importance, and making customized designs became imperative for growth. The period therefore saw enormous growth, and the company jumped from 100 crore rupees to 2,500 crore rupees in annual turnover by 2010, with international operations contributing 20% of the revenue. The third decade was about globalization, acquiring global customers and manufacturing locations, along with world-class technology and talent. This diversification began in 2011 with the acquisition of Trium, the leading European two-wheeler lighting manufacturer, and was followed spectacularly in 2012 with the acquisition of Visteon's global lighting business, a global leader in passenger car exterior lighting. These, coupled with exponential domestic growth, catapulted the business to around 8,000 crore rupees in annual revenue today. Hand in hand with world-class talent, Varroc has been catering to the needs of customers across the globe and steadily increasing its automotive hub in India as well. Today, Varroc is a global player, catering to all segments of the automotive market with over 20 distinct product lines organized into 4 large divisions and with operations and employees in 3 continents. Varroc's international organizations forged together a truly world-class association. The future is exciting, and we have in place a long-term strategy that portrays our 2020 vision with target customers, products and markets that we are actively pursuing. Our core values, ships, sincerity, humility, integrity, passion, and self-discipline lead the way in uniting cultures across the globe and laying the foundation for individual and collective growth. As new markets open up, customers become more global and competition gets fiercer, we will look inwards and leverage our strengths to meet these challenges, weaving together the world-class technology and management systems from the global lighting business. With the fiscal discipline and nimble-footedness that characterize our domestic business, we will define our new mantra for sustainable growth. Let us come together and open our minds to the winds of change. Let us come together and collaborate to break the barriers of cultural and geographic diversities. Let us come together to forge excellence.